one of my breakthroughs came when I understood what control really meant to me. And that was that there are certain things that I shouldn't let my mind try to control. And then there are certain things that I should control. What I mean by that is, I'll give you the concept of light and darkness. What came to me as I was doing my little research, trying to find the self, was between darkness and light, I have more control over light than the other one. It just felt wise to me to leave darkness alone and not try to touch it, but say, I'll mess with light. If I want to get darkness, I'm gonna just manipulate light, I'll block light and I will do whatever it is that I need to do with it. I can create darkness out of light. So my focus should be on manipulating this thing called light and just leave darkness alone. And in my mind, kind of think that that's out of my control. I can't manufacture darkness out of nothing. It's almost like the concept of empty space and objects. To leave the whole trying to control the space, but focus on objects. Use objects to try and create the space that I'm looking for. This is obviously metaphorically, or in my mind, if I can put it that way. But it also made sense to me that space is something that I can work with or create by how I move objects around. But on its own, leave it alone. It's infinite. Don't try to grab it. And when I brought that into just life, I used the same logic with people, that when it comes to people, I shouldn't focus too much on the things they do, their behavior, because it was the unknown. Instead, let me focus more on the things I do, the things I think, because I can use that to kind of also create what I want as far as the behavior of people. And having that sense of control, which was knowing what to leave alone and what to focus on. It helped me a lot because I discovered I was chasing a lot of things that it was wasting my time chasing and taking so much energy out of me instead of focusing on something that I tangibly felt like I had control over. And that sent me on a quest to discover more of this concept.